Hi, we're gonna make today a corn fritters. I can call it pancake. It's okay too. And we're gonna make a deviled eggs today. Okay, are you ready? Action. Okay, I opened a can of corn. It's 2 cups. I rinsed it up. 2 cups. So you can use frozen corn. Frozen, it's okay, but I think you have to cook it a little bit, for a few minutes. Okay, 2 cups. I have, okay, 2 eggs. It's really yummy. Let your kids help you with that. Two eggs. 2 to 3 tablespoons sour cream. If you don't want it too fatty, so 2 tablespoons it's okay, but I'm gonna put 3. More fat tastes better. Okay, mix it up. Oops. Quarter a cup of milk, 2%, 1%, whole milk, doesn't matter. Quarter a cup. Here you go. I'm gonna heat my pan. Hold on a second. You can use a big pan, make more than one. Let me do a little low. Heat it up. Okay. I have a mozzarella cheese. 4 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella. Here you go. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon. I think it's enough. If you don't like too much, you can put a quarter teaspoon. Half a teaspoon onion powder. Okay, mix it up. Start with a half teaspoon of salt. Is that too much? I'm afraid, because the mozzarella has salt and the sour cream, so half teaspoon is enough. Salt, we got the pepper and salt. Three tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons. There you go. Let me see if it's good. Okay. Here we got everything. We got the eggs, salt, pepper, sour cream, milk, all-purpose flour, mozzarella cheese, onion powder. So we got the whole thing here. Okay, the pan is hot. Okay, medium high with grease. We have to use a non-stick pan, and I prefer to use this to take the batter. Let's see. You can make it thin, flat like this. Let it cook. By the time it's cooking, okay, and then we're going to flip it to the other side. We need a light here, aren't we? Okay. By the time it's cooking, let's do the deviled eggs. Okay. I boiled 6 eggs, hard-boiled eggs, 6. Peel them off, of course. Cut them half. Put the egg yolk in another bowl. Here you go, and the egg white here. Egg yolk. Oops, egg white. There you go. Okay. And we're gonna smash the egg yolk. Here you go. Wash my hands. Watch the pancake. The fritters. Watch it. Hold on. Okay. Shake it up. What's going on? A little more. A little more to get a brown and then turn over. Okay. We're gonna smash the egg yolk. Very easy to make it and very tasty. Smash, smash, smash. Okay, I think it's good enough. And I use half a teaspoon Dijon mustard. A little more than half. I like it. It's not that strong. Close to teaspoon. Mustard. Mayo. The best mayo. Where's my tablespoon? Here. I'm gonna start with, for 6 eggs, tablespoon about and a half. Let's see if we need more. We can use more. But we need black pepper, half a teaspoon. Or 1/4 teaspoon. If you don't want to put too much, that's it. Ouch. And I like to use very little of thyme, dry thyme. Very little, like a half teaspoon, even less. Ooh, a touch. Let me see, like this. Smash it a little bit. Very, very little. It gives a good, yummy flavor. And a little bit, like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, not too much. We have salt in the mustard and we have salt in the mayo. Let me see. Let's start with 1/4 teaspoon. If we need more, we'll taste it. We'll put more. Let me check my pancake. The corn pancake. Let me see. Oh, good. Woo-hoo-hoo. Believe me, your kids gonna love it. You can use it for dinner. You got eggs. You got everything there. Why not? Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Let's mix over here. See what happened. I think the mayo it's enough. It's soft enough. It looks good. Okay, taste it. Okay, see if you need more salt or mustard. No more salt. There's even a 1/4 teaspoon. Was the mustard salty? Let's taste the thyme. It's really good. With a spoon, fill up the egg white. See over here. See if we have enough. I believe so. I can put a little more here. More over here. If you have left, just fill up more to finish here, maybe. And here. I think it's good. Good, and I like to put, I have to lower the heat and on the fritters over here because there might be, oops, let me see. Let me see if it's brown. Yes, it is. We're gonna do the second one. Wait, I have some corn here. Grease the pan a little bit. Okay, let me take this out, and mix, between one to the other. Here you go. It's okay if it's a little thick, not that thick, but a little. Okay, I know a little bit, so we'll be cooking good in the middle. Okay, good. What I like to put on deviled eggs, a little paprika, just decorate it, and wrap it with plastic wrap. And refrigerator, of course. It can stay in the refrigerator for at least 3 days. 3 days? 2 to 3 days. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it soon. Okay, going back to the, let's see what happened here. Let me taste it first. If we're okay with the salt. Ooh, wait, it's hot. I need a fork and knife. Don't put sugar. It's not supposed to be sweet. Let me see. It's good. Yummy. Very yummy. Okay. Keep going. Wait until brown. Turn over. Just like this. Don't make it too thick. Everybody gonna love it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.